$100 billion. That's how much Apple and President Trump just pledged to bring manufacturing back to US soil. Is this the biggest reshoring move in decades? Or just the most expensive campaign backdrop in history? Either way, the numbers are too big to ignore. On August 5th, Trump and Apple announced a $100 billion investment in US manufacturing. We're talking semiconductor fabs, AI hardware, advanced display production supplier hubs, and more. This isn't a tax break, this isn't an incentive package. This is hard capital, hitting real ground. So where's all that money going? Nearly half, $42.5 billion, into semiconductor fabrication. $18 billion for AI hardware and data infrastructure, $14 billion into advanced display manufacturing, and over $10 billion to strengthen US suppliers. 80% of this is physical infrastructure, clean rooms, robotics production floors, not PR campaigns. Let's talk before and after. Apple's US footprint is about to transform. Domestic suppliers jump from 9,000 to 12,500. US manufacturing sites more than double, from 11 to 24, and the share of global iPhone assembly in America? That triples, from 3.6% to nearly 12%. But here's the bigger picture. This isn't happening in isolation. US manufacturing construction has been surging from $72 billion in 2019 to over $200 billion projected this year. This is structural, not cyclical. Industrial policy isn't just theory anymore, it's steel, silicon, and jobs. Now let's talk politics. 3 months before Election Day, Trump pairs this with his Made in America 2030 initiative. Apple's playing it carefully, no partnership language, just alignment with US goals. The earned media value? $147 million in just 36 hours. Who wins? And who's skeptical? Texas leads with 18,000 new jobs, then Ohio, Arizona, Georgia, and North Carolina. Over 64,000 direct jobs are expected by late 2026. Critics call it campaign theater, but filings show capital plans were submitted months ago. Others worry about automation, yet nearly half these roles are hands-on assembly, and Apple's locked in a no offshoring clause for 10 years. So is this a policy legacy, a strategic stimulus, or just-in-time election choreography? Maybe all three. But when $100 billion moves, so does policy. You don't have to like it, but you better understand it. Because this is governance through capital allocation. This is blunt policy, where governance meets real capital. Subscribe for data first, politics second analysis.